Do you want to learn how to make this cute macrame bracelet? Well, I'll teach you how to do it after the jingle. Hi everyone and welcome back to this new tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to make this beautiful macrame bracelet made with Chinese cords in two colors, blue and turquoise. As you can see, the bracelet is adjustable and I have made this adjustable closure with the flat knot. The flat knot is the main knot used to make this bracelet. Chinese cords I have used to make this bracelet have been supplied by Pandahall. I have used this blue Chinese cord. The size is 0.8 millimeters and the turquoise color. I love this color combination and you can find the materials in the description below. You can also take a look at the unboxing video I have made on this YouTube channel and you will find all the supplies I have got from Pandahall for this collaboration. I love the finish of the Chinese cords because they are so shiny. Then I'm using this tool, but you can use a shoebox lid or a shoebox and two tweezers. We are going to make this closure with a turquoise cord and the two parts of the bracelet, the right and the left part of the bracelet with the blue Chinese cord. So the first thing we have to do is to cut 2 meters of blue cord, then other 2 meters of blue cord and 2 meters of turquoise cord. Then we have to fold the two blue cords and the turquoise cord in half. So the first cord, this one, the second blue cord, fold it in half, and the turquoise cord. We have to set the cords in this way, the blue, the turquoise and the blue. Then make a knot, leave about 10 centimeters of thread of cords and use the tweezers to set them in place. Then open the two cords, the two blue cords on the left and on the right, and use the tweezers to block the turquoise cords in the middle. We have to make our knots on the middle turquoise cords. Make a loop with and place them on the top of the turquoise thread. Pick up the blue cords on the right, pass on the top of the blue cords and through the loop on the left from the bottom to the top and pull the thread in this way. This is our first knot. Then make the loop with the right thread, the right through blue thread, pass the thread through the loop on the right and pull the thread in this way. Then make the loop with the left threads on the top of the turquoise cord. Pick up the right blue cord, pass on the top of the blue cords and through the left loop and pull the thread. Then make the loop on the other side, on the right side. Pick up the left blue cord pass the thread on the top of the blue right cord and through the right loop and pull the thread in this way. You have to repeat these knots until you reach your desired length. Now make the loop on the left side in this way. Pick up the right thread, pass on the top of the left thread, and then pass through the loop from the bottom to the top in this way and pull the thread. Then repeat. You can see that in each step we are making a loop on the right and a loop on the left. When you have the loop on the right, you have to start again on the right. When you have the loop on the left, you have to start again on the left. So we have made the loop on the right, and then the thread pass through the loop on the right. Now we have the loop on the left, and so we are making the loop on the left side, pass the thread through the blue thread, and then through the left loop from the bottom to the top in this way and pull the thread. You have to make always the same steps, and you have to reach your desired length. I'm going to make a 15 centimeters stripe, and then I will show you how to make the closure, the adjustable closure. It's really easy, and the final result is really beautiful. As you can see, I'm going on with the creation of the bracelet, and I have reached the length of 5 centimeters. I will go on making my bracelet, and I will reach the length of 15 centimeters because it fits my waist. Even if the bracelet is adjustable and our closure makes the bracelet suitable for each size of wrists. Once we have reached the length of 15 centimeters, we are going to remove the bracelet from the loom in this way, and now I'm going to pull the bracelet to release the internal turquoise color. Now we are going to untie the knot. Then we have to cut. As you can see, it fits perfectly my waist. And now we are going to cut the excess of the threads on one of the sides of the bracelet, and in this way, and then we are going to open the other threads on the other side of the bracelet. I'm going to pull the bracelet to let the turquoise color pop up. And now we are setting the bracelet in this way, and with the tweezers we have to block the edges of the bracelet on the loom, and we are going to make other flat knots to make our closure. We are using the excess of the turquoise threads. Make a loop on the left, pass the threads on the right on the top of the left loop, and then pass through the left loop and pull the thread, and we have made the first knot. Now make a loop on the right, pick up the thread and pass on the top of the loop, and then behind and through the right loop on the right, in this way. Now make the loop on the left, pick up the threads on the right, pass on the top of the threads, and then behind all the threads and through the left loop, in this way, and pull the thread. Go on this way until you reach your desired length. I will make about 6 flat knots, and as you can see, I have reached my desired length. This is the final result. Now we have to cut the excess of the threads, and we have to finish the ends of the closure, the macrame closure, with a lighter. You can use this technique only if you have a synthetic cord. If you use cotton, you cannot use a lighter to finish your work. So in this way, be careful when you do this process. And our closure is finished. The only thing we have to do now is to make some knots on the two finish ends of the bracelet. As you can see, they are a bit longer, but then I'm going to cut them out, and I love to make some knots on both sides and cut the excess of the threads. As you can see, our bracelet is finished. You can make also some braids to finish the ends of the bracelet, or you can cut them to make them shorter, as you prefer. As you can see, the bracelet is adjustable, and I love them. I love this kind of bracelets, and the ends are a bit longer, so I'm going to short them later, and this is the final result. I love the color combination and the fact that the closure pops up. Oh, I want to thank Pandahall for giving me the opportunity to teach you these projects, and thank you for watching the video. And if you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a like and a comment below. You can follow me also on other social media such as Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, Natalia Savastano Designer, Natalia Savastano, and La Perlinatrice di TikTok. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!